Look at this face. Look at this lace. Ow. Ah. So blurry. Focus. Focus on me. Bam. Alright, so hey guys. Sorry, steering wheel in the way. It is Jay, aka Jayla, all up in your building. If this is your first time coming to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And to all my old bougies, my society, hey y'all, what's up? Yeah, so I deleted all my vlog footage that I've been vlogging for the past week or 2 weeks because I want to start fresh. I want to start fresh, I want to start real, I want to start raw. I just want to be open with you. You know, a little punkash, if you will, a little punkash. Be real open with you, okay? Today was payday at my job. Girl, bitch, we not even, girl, just, ugh, wasting my time. I got bills, I have loans that I have to pay, I have, girl, so disgusting. But speaking of, I need to get in touch with student loans. Shout out if y'all got student loans too, girl, because they lied to you about college. Ooh, child. Tired of the bullshit, gone, dust your shoulders off. Keep it moving, yeah. So, ooh, my lighting is off. I'm a little oily. But I just left work. I just worked a double, like, all day, all night. It's the morning. It's 9:15 in the morning. And honestly, I had this, like, little bit of natural makeup on since yesterday morning. And it stayed on. Like, this is, like, legit, like, the truth. But I actually really do need to return this other foundation that I've had forever. But it's just completely the wrong shades for me. Like, I have two and they're completely the wrong shades. Yeah, my steering wheel's gonna be in the way, but yeah. Is it tacky to return things? Like, I don't know. I'm the return queen, bitch. So I have no problem, no qualm returning something, okay? Don't bother me. This is why I can't have my nails done. Like, my press-ons are growing out, so I need to redo my nails. Which is fine, because I've actually been wearing these for 2 weeks. Like, maybe I'll show y'all how I put my press-ons on now, because honestly, they last for so long, and everyone just thinks that they are salon done for some reason. I don't think they look like they got done to the salon, but everybody else thinks so. Hey, y'all. So, I look a little bit different than earlier. You know, a little bit more snatched, a little bit more beat, a little bit more put the motherfucking fuck together. But I am literally on my way to the beauty supply, and then I think I'm also going to go by the Dollar Tree. It's 4:13 in the evening, because I can never leave my house early. And also because I have to go do something for my godson earlier, and then I also had to run right back out as soon as I step back in the house and run out and help a friend. You know me, always a helpful ass bitch. Kidding. I literally went to go do it because I really, you know, care for these people, so I wanted to help them. But also, girl, it's about to get warm, y'all. Like, it's 55 degrees. Now, my car just lying now. 54? My car really lying. Girl, Google already told me it was only 48 degrees, child. Okay, again, dashboard cam. You guys can't see my mouth. I know it's weird. But y'all, do y'all feel how you're rocking? Right. Girl, can we talk about potholes? Like, the potholes in my city where I live are so fucking bad. Are my hands ashy, bitch? Oh, bitch! That is not cute. But the potholes in the city that I live in are so fucking bad and ridiculous, bro. They are on every, look, yes, they are on every fucking street corner, bro. It doesn't matter where you're going, what you're doing, you are gonna hit potholes, girl. But, like, I just don't understand. Like, we have so many things here that pay for this fucking town. We pay so much money in taxes, like, literally a ridiculous amount of money. I don't understand why the streets are like this, okay? Like, somebody's about to fund my tires, about to run me these brakes, girl, about to do something for these shocks and struts, sis. You know, I'd be like, okay, but I just don't get it. And your driving abilities will get you fucked up this summer. Period. Like, I try to be the nicest person ever, sometimes, but I need to get my car in to get it serviced, so I'm talking about will get you fucked up. But that's not here nor there. Okay, but I just left the beauty supply store. I ended up getting some curly hair, because that's what I came for. And I ended up actually meeting a girl there. Of course, I met a black girl there. Hello, black girls unite. This is bad lighting! Okay. But I met a girl there. She seemed really, really, really cool. We exchanged numbers. I just love it when, like, black girls link up. When, like, black girls get together and link up. Girl, my favorite old school ghetto-ass beauty supply sells canvas heads, bitch. I'm irritated. I'm big mad. Like, I'm big mad because, bro, I've been needing me a canvas head. They're only $25, $26 there. I was gonna order one off Amazon. Granted, I have my ones from beauty school, so it's not like it's the end of the world. I need to be headed on my way to get Ashley, but I need to go check to see if I have air in my tires, because honestly, listen, this is just all about tires, okay? Because this shit's, you a pothole, I'm a pothole. This shit's a fucking pothole, bitch. I am really quickly at Target. Again, bad lighting because you're sitting on my dash. Son, girl, listen, bitch. But I'm at Target. I feel like my nose is getting oily. Because I need to pick up Ashley by 6. It's 5:40. But I need to get some water because she don't drink tap water, girl. I do not. I do not. I don't drink tap water. I don't give tap water to my godchildren. I just don't do it. So I want to run in Target. I've never bought water from here. I normally get it from like Walmart or Meijer. And if you don't know what a Meijer is, it is like a Publix or a Kroger. Just really, really, really big. And it has, and no, it's like a Target. What am I saying? Like a Publix. So I didn't get a cart at all. Didn't think this through, guys, because I really need more than one. I was just in the Target, as you guys know, grabbing my water, and literally there was like this, like, there's 4 self-checkouts in the Target that I was just in, and there was like people at each one. Like at the one to the very first left of me, there was like a girl there, and then at the one in front of her, there was like a guy. He was fine as fuck. He was a DILF for real, girl, but that's besides the point. But he had his 3 daughters, and they were, like, buying stuff. Then to the right, which was the front right one, there was, like, another lady and her, like, son or whatever. And then to the right, that was right next to me, there was a girl and her boyfriend. And so, you know, I'm waiting, and I'm like, what are they all doing? I'm getting impatient. Like, what the fuck? I'm such a child. And, bitch, when I tell you, homegirl that was to the left of me at the first one, she, like, put her stuff in a bag, and, you know, got it and gone. Like, she started walking up and went up towards the door. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. So I go up to her register. But so I look, and the register's like, oh, balance due. Like, you know, balance due. Like, there's still money due. And so I was like, excuse me? I'm like, that's weird. I haven't even scanned anything. So I try to scan my item. It won't scan through. So I'm like, okay. So then I had to turn around and go to the next scanner because I couldn't do anything on that one, and that one was finally available because the girl and her boyfriend moved. So an attendant comes by me, and I'm like, hi, or she's like, hi, and I'm like, hello, how are you? And I pretty much had to tell her, like, yeah, I don't know what happened, but that machine's saying that, and there was a girl there, and she's like, did she take her things and leave? And I was like, yeah, like, she put her stuff in a bag and left, like, she left. So I'm like, bitch, how did I get the security in trouble? Because they had to call security over there, girl, to be like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why aren't you over here watching? I just can't believe I just watched a whole steal in front of me. I haven't seen some shit like that since I was so young. But alright, y'all, I'm about to let y'all go. I need to drive so I can go get Ash, so we can go get Ro, and force them to go to the Dollar Tree.